Oh, oh, be careful dah, ntar lu kena roket Hamas. Halo, Filipina.
Hello.
Hey, how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Your accent like a UK.
Yeah, because I'm
Yeah, can you bring water?
water. We got
Water.
some cold water. We got some cold water.
Got water. Harry Potter. Ada, iya, Empok. You from Philippines, bro.
Yeah, where you from?
Duterte dong, Duterte. Rodrigo Duterte. I am from Indonesia, po.
How come you know Duterte? Are you kidding me?
Because Duterte killing the seller of the narcotics. Dor.
The addicts, not the
Iya,
seller.
the drug dealer. Bener nggak?
Narcos.
Iya,
Pablo Escobar.
Pablo Escobar, Pablo Aymar,
Where you from?
from Indonesia, darling.
How come it says it's from Australia?
Iya, because I use VPN.
Okay.
Beautiful. Hello. Are you from Slovakia? Oh,
Yeah.
you look like Barbie. Let it go. Let it go. Aduh, cantik banget. What's your name?
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Beautiful. Iya, piękna. Piękna. What's your
Hands
name?
up, please.
Ah,
Hands up.
hands up nih, hands up. Hands up. Why? Why? Kenapa? Why? What are you thinking about me? I'm not doing nothing.
Okay. Okay.
Orang gue nggak ngapa-ngapain. What's your name? Ngilu ya. What's your name? Ya, go. Kenapa? Wah, you ngilu Gue ngilu dikeretakin. Do you have Instagram nggak? Hah? Do you have Instagram?
Yeah,
But why?
but I don't give you.
Why? I will follow you. Your follower will be more. What's your name? Your name?
Very nice smile.
Iya, I like to smile. I'm Indonesian people soalnya. Do you know Indonesia gak? I am from Asia.
You are my friend.
Your name siapa namanya? What's your name?
What's your name? Adela.
Adela.
My name is Adriana.
Adriana and
My name is
Adela. Oh,
Adela Adriana.
Adriana. Wah, beduh, beautiful name. Beautiful name. Iya, I want to sing for you dah. Apa ya gue nyanyiin apa? I'm missing you. I'm sure you already knew. Without time boundary, I'm freeze. I'm asking you. Without a single word, love will find a way. You are far from my eyes, but you are close to my prayer. I'm missing you so much. Waduh, gimana deh? Good.
You very nice.
Iya, very nice tuh. You beautiful. What city do you live in? In what city do you live in?
Zelina.
Zilina.
Slovakia.
Sebelah Petamburan. Slovakia. Slovakia in the Europe, ya.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
iya, Slovakia. Is Slovakia?
It's very small country.
Oh, very small country. Is there Slovakia in Euro 2020? Masuk gak? Do you watch football? No.
Yeah.
Yeah, Slovakia. Mantap. I support Slovakia in Euro.
No.
Because you beautiful. Ada. You give you your Instagram dong to me. I will follow you. I have so many follower. I'm artist in my country. We chatting in the direct message. Israel. Weh, Israel. Kelana Israel. Cakep dah. Apa? Iya. Israel colonizer. Ding ding ding. Bro. Lagi apa nih, bro? Wah, you army.
How are you?
Good. How about you? Weh.
We're fine.
Oh, you are in the outside.
We are from Israel.
Oh, you are army.
Yes.
Yes, we are
Oh,
army.
iya. You in the Gaza.
No, we are
Oh,
from.
no.
You are in Israel right now.
Oh, you are in Israel. Can I look Israel? Israel gimana
We're
juga?
near the West Bank.
Apa? West Bank. Oh,
Yes.
Bang Barat. Enggak dong, tepi barat. Be careful dah, ntar lu kena roket Hamas. Iya, very good. Yeah.
What do you think about Israel?
Wah,
What do you
Israel.
think about Israel?
Why Israel always war with Palestine?
Yeah.
Why?
Why?
Yeah, what?
Because they attacking us.
Attacking gas. Apaan? What?
What? They attacking us.
Oh.
They attacking Israel.
Hamas ya, Hamas.
Hamas.
Yeah.
Hamas attacking us.
Oh iya, you sending roket juga tuh Hamas.
Yeah. Because they
Oh,
attacking us.
oh gitu, iya dah. Udah jangan perang-perang, don't war. Ceasefire.
Don't war.
Mm-mm.
We want peace.
Because there are so many civilian to be a victim.
Listen.
That's not good.
Jewish people.
Ah,
They want peace.
oh yeah, very good dah. Don't peace aja dah. Don't war.
Not war.
Mm-mm.
Not war.
It will be hurt civilian people. They are sleeping and then get hit by the rocket. And they will die. Not knowing about something. Hello, Timor Leste.
Hello.
Greeting from Indonesia. Timor Leste.
Where are you from?
Indonesia.
You from Australia.
Indonesia.
Oh, Indonesia, Bang.
Iya, Indonesia
Waduh.
nih. Abang yang Timor Leste. Iya.
Bang, kau cari cewek Australia, Bang.
Wah, iya lagi cari bule. Timor Leste. Abang orang Timor Leste beneran? Dari Dili. Iya.
Oh, Bang, saya juga dari Dili, Bang.
Oh, dari Dili. Timor Leste makannya nasi juga gak?
Iya, Bang. Makan nasi dong, Bang.
Oh.
Makan apa lagi, Bang?
Kirain beda, roti, spaghetti. Iya, Timor Leste kapan lawan timnas lagi? Because my timnas kagak bisa menang kalau lawan yang lain. Cuma Timor Leste yang sangat baik. Halo. Timnas kita sangat merindukan Timor Leste, Laos, Kamboja. Ayo dong. Main lagi kita. Wah, ini kayaknya
Здорово.
kita pernah ketemu, I ever met before.
I speak Russian.
Wah, ya nepene manyu.
Сука, блядь.
Suka belat.
Сука, блядь.
Lu player Dota suka Sinakuna kuina. Iya, sawadikap. Sawadikap, tukang sulap, makan lahap, kontrakan pengap. Apa lagi? Mandi bola. Main bom kah?
Apalagi mana kalian banyak alkohol?
Ты его понимаешь?
Free Palestine. Tos, Bang. Tos, Bang. What's your name? What's your name?
А,
Yeah.
what's your, ну, типа, твои...
Ih,
А,
nama lu siapa? Nazim.
Да.
Тимофей.
Timothy.
Тимофей. Yeah.
Oh, Timothy and Nazim.
And you?
My name is Gir Supra.
Ir Supra?
Gir Supra. Nih, tuh I write.
Gir Supra.
Iya, Gir Supra.
Nice to meet you.
Iya, nice to meet you, Timothy.
Gir Supra.
Iya, Gir Supra. Very good. Where city do you live in? You live in Moscow?
We live in Russia. And you?
What city? Moscow?
Sochi. Sochi.
Oh, Socho. Iya. I am from Indonesia.
You say?
Indonesia.
Oh.
Iya.
Wow.
Indonesia, Indonesia.
Yeah. I understand.
Sa. Gitu. Na. Bukan gitu deh, bukan lagu gitu. Itu mah
Perfect.
that's a Russian anthem. Gitu. Iya, bener, Bang.